The ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner boasts a powerful 3,000 Pascal cyclone suction, ensuring an impressive increase in cleaning efficiency, effortlessly tackling dust, pet hair, and crumbs across various surfaces. With its smart app and voice control capabilities, this vacuum allows for personalized cleaning schedules and modes, providing users with a truly hands-free cleaning experience when connected to Alexa or Google Assistant. Measuring just 2.99 inches in height, the vacuum's sophisticated sensing system enables it to clean under furniture and in hard-to-reach areas, while dual rotating side brushes ensure no dust is left behind. Specifically designed for pet owners, the ROPVACNIC features a no-entanglement design and a large 600 milliliter dust box, making it highly efficient at picking up pet hair without manual intervention. The vacuum's scheduled cleaning and automatic self-recharging features mean it can autonomously navigate your home, avoiding obstacles and returning to its charging station when necessary for a seamless cleaning routine. Equipped with 6 versatile cleaning modes, the ROPVACNIC can be tailored to meet any cleaning requirement, ensuring comprehensive coverage and intelligent operation throughout your home.